Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. You're looking at a potential live trade of EDIT. $24.67 is my order. That's my buy price. You're looking at one of my morning gap trades from this morning. This trade was sent out to members at 9 o'clock in the morning, about a little more than a half an hour ago. And also, it's the same type of trade that anybody that's taken my course at Lazy Gap Trader is able to calculate the same $24.67 price level for themselves. So we haven't been filled yet. We need the stock to come down just a little bit more. And if we get filled, I'm going to be looking for 2 exits on this trade. Most likely, I'm going to exit the first half of the trade with somewhere in what I call my minimum profit target, and then we'll look for more on the second half if I can get it. All right, in the trade. All right, we're in. 24.67 filled. Now, I'm not going to let this trade go down too far. My stop out is roughly 30 cents. I'll probably give it to about 40 cents if it continues down farther. But we got a nice pop already off this level. So we'll give it a little bit of time. But these trades generally will work out quickly. Not all of them work out quickly, but a lot of them work out quickly. So hopefully this one will work out quickly and we'll get a pop over 25. 25 is a big fat round number with markets. Stocks like round numbers. Stocks love numbers like 25, 50, 75, 100. Then they also like the even numbers, 25, 26, 27. So 25 is an important number, and we should get a pop back above 25. That's why my sell is going to be over $25 a share and not before, because I think that they'll pop it back over 25, and I'll take the first half of the position off. What is gap trading? So when stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open, it creates an opportunity. As day traders, we need opportunity. We need volatility. Volatility gives us opportunity. We need stocks to be moving in order to make trades, right? So when stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open, that creates the opportunity, and the opportunity is for traders that can identify a specific price, in this case $24.67, specific price where these stocks will first be drawn to like a magnet and then have a price reaction from these areas in the other direction. And that's what we're seeing now. So in my course at Lazy Gap Trader, I teach traders, or traders learn everything they need to know in order to trade the gap successfully. Which stocks does it work the best with? What type of volume do we look for on these stocks? What else is there? There's a whole litany of things. How much of a gap higher or lower do we look for? Most importantly, and I'm distracted here because I'm watching the stock and trying to think at the same time. I can't walk and chew gum at the same time, let alone make a video and watch a trade at the same time. But most importantly, what's most important is, how do you calculate this specific price level like $24.67 where a stock is down 9 or 10% and all of a sudden it stops on a dime and goes in the other direction? That's the key to success, right? That's what's taught in my course. That's the most important thing that's taught in my course. And that's what gives traders the why behind the trades. That's what gives traders the why this works. So when traders understand why this works, it gives them an added confidence, because when stocks come into a certain price level, they have a certain expectation of why this is going to work. And once you have a certain expectation and you see it work over and over and over again, we obviously don't win every trade. But I'm going to tell you, we win a lot of the trades. And you can look on my YouTube channel. You can look on this channel here, and you can see that I post videos just about each and every day. And I post the losers too, but we don't have that many losers. This produces about 75% of the time, produces winners. And the losers, we lose small and fast. That's what I teach in my course. When you learn how to lose, and you lose small and fast, your winners, like this one, look at this already. So we're already in the money. There, I'm out of the first half of the trade. So now I've got half the trade in my pocket, and I'm looking for more out of the trade. This cannot be a losing trade. My stop is now in the money. Okay, so I call this a risk-free, emotionless trade. And this is what I teach in my course. I have a whole video module on this strategy, how to turn trades like this into risk-free, emotionless trades. I have half the trade in my pocket, and I'm looking for more. And that's the way it works. So I'm going to sell the second half of the trade. If I can get over 25.25, I'm going to book the whole thing because that'll be a tremendous trade in the first 15 minutes of the trading day. And, you know, when I can book that kind of profit, you know, close to 60 cents in the first 15 minutes of the trading day, then you have to take, I'm done, I'm out. 25.25, it even went higher than that. That's okay. I'm okay with that. You never look at what you left on the table. Look at what you put in your pocket. Look, if you want to learn how to do this for yourself, each and every day for the rest of your trading career, trade the gaps, trade them successfully. Come over to Lazy Gap Trader, learn everything you need to know in order to be successful trading the gaps day in and day out for the remainder of your trading career. You can learn everything you need to know without a shadow of a doubt. I can teach you everything you need to know. I support all my traders. No question ever goes unanswered with me. I'm David Frost, Lazy Gap Trader. Thanks for tuning in, folks.